I'm Nick McNabo.
Michael Milano.
And it's Candie Rose.
Hi.
Candie Rose Designs. Thanks for joining us today.
You're welcome. Happy to be here.
And Candie, what do you do in our wonderful community of Marin, Novato, and surrounding areas?
I do professional organizing and move management. So we help people move all over the Bay Area, focusing on the Marin County area.
How many people have you met that love moving?
I am the only one, and it's only for when I'm not moving. Yeah. Most people do not, and I use the word hate, which is a strong word, but hate moving. It's a major undertaking, and we don't do it enough in life. Thankfully, most of us to have it down to like a true science. And so it just can feel really overwhelming from the very start to the very end.
Does overwhelm start at that call, or do you think it more in once the process has started?
I think it starts as soon as someone says they're going to move, or they start to think that they're going to sell their house, or they think that they're going to buy a house. That feeling I hear all the time. It's an immediate, oh my gosh, it's like this black cloud hanging over us. We know it has to get done, and it's the major part of what we're doing. But that's pretty immediate, And so if I can be there as soon as possible, because I know that those wheels are already spinning. So if I can be there as soon as possible, I can be there for you, not only like physically and also strategically, but emotionally, because moving is an emotional thing. So, many times I've showed up on moving day for folks, and I've just walked in and just given big hugs, and it's just, like, come here, this is a big day for your family, and it can be really hard. So it's as soon as I can get in there to help people go through the process and kind of just usher them through. And their role can be very elbow to elbow, or I'm going to lunch. I don't want to any from start to finish. We're gonna go on vacation. We don't want to be a part of this. So it just depends on how people want to use our services.
When would you like to get involved in that participation with the client, and what would that conversation kind of sound like?
Essentially, the sooner the better.
Okay.
And then that call goes like, let's talk about what you got going on. When is moving day? Do you have a hard time out? How many people in your family? How many square footage? What are we moving? Do we need movers? Do we need boxes? Do we need packing materials? Are we going to do kind of a sustainable forward move, or maybe we wrap all your dishes in your bed sheets, right? There's all different ways to move. So we kind of present those, and everything is mindfully packed so that when we get to the other side, I'm the one unpacking, my team is the one unpacking, and we know that it's a Cuisinart, we know that it's the kids' clothes. It's not just a box that says bedroom on it. It makes the other side more efficient. And also, a lot of the time we've planned for that. So on the other side, after moving day, it's the unpack part, we'll do the organizing piece too. And those kind of go hand in hand with us. We unpack the boxes, but where are they gonna go? We're not gonna leave them on the floor, obviously. So it's, where is all this stuff going? And a lot of the time we'll go in and just pre-measure all of the drawers, all of the cupboards. Maybe that means purchasing organizing tools. Maybe that's purchasing the liners and have someone just on liner duty all day. It's just making sure that the stage is set so that your house is prepped to kind of receive your things. So it's an extra step, but if you take that time to plan out how things are going to be when you get to the other side, it makes getting to the other side exciting and not daunting. Like, oh my God, we gotta unpack our house. If it's all laid out, then it's for us. It's really fun.
Well, thank you so much, Candie. Thank you so much for joining Michael and I.
Oh, thanks for having me.
I'm Nick McNabo.
Michael Milano.
Candie Rose.
Candie Rose Design. Look her up. She will save you a lot of pain and anguish when it does come time to move. Get her involved early and often.